Some verbs in English are standard and basic, but in this series, I'd like to show you some advanced verbs to give your English some style. I'm John, and today we're going to study unique verbs in English. To ponder. Aaron and Bianca just moved to a new city. They're spending their afternoon in the park. How do you like it so far, Bianca? I don't know. I feel uncomfortable here sometimes. Moving to a new city is a big step. It's going to change our lives, you know. You're right, but it's a lot to take in. The thought of leaving our friends and starting over, it's overwhelming. And yet, the new opportunities, the fresh start, it's exactly what we need. Try to remember that. I just need some time. There's a lot to ponder. Quiz time! What does to ponder mean? To ignore? To decide quickly? To consider for a long time? To feel comfortable? Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's C. To consider for a long time. Verb details. We often ponder life decisions, ponder different options, ponder the meaning of things. To ponder means to consider something carefully over a period of time. We often use it when we need a lot of time in deep thought to consider important decisions. What big decisions have you had to ponder recently? Share your experience in the comments below. Examples. Bianca and Aaron pondered about moving to a new city. She pondered her career choices over the weekend. He pondered the proposal before giving his answer. We often ponder the meaning of life. Vocabulary extras. Rewatch the video to catch the vocabulary. A big step. A big change. A lot to take in. A lot to experience. Starting over. Starting again. Overwhelming. Makes you feel confused. Thanks for watching, and thank you, channel supporters. Please like, share, and subscribe, and see you in the next lesson.